How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Starling. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and today is a very special episode because you know I gotta bring that heat even in the wintertime. I am bringing a all-new floor plan, a one-of-one floor plan created right here at Recreational Resort Cottages by the name of the Starling. So for my OCD clients out there, for those that love symmetry, that are geometry majors, the Starling is going to be one for you because as you notice on the exterior, look at the dimensions of this particular home. Look at the division in the different elevations. Everything is symmetrical from front to back, starting with the exterior dimensions. The home is 11 foot wide and 50 feet long, and that's including an 8-foot front porch and an 8-foot rear porch. And guys, this one, as you can see, is the curb appeal king when it comes to park model tiny homes. So whether you're looking for a primary residence, a secondary residence, or an investment property, the Starling is the one for you. And as you see here, look at the exterior. We have lapped James Hardy siding painted in black magic. We chose to go with black windows going throughout the entire home. We even added a board and bat cedar accent in a vertical pattern, so that brings plenty of character. Look at the exposed rafter tails right here on each elevation point. That is bringing all of that character to life, and you'll even see that pairing with the cedar top plates on your porches as well. So guys, when it comes to park model tiny homes anywhere in the world, I would say the country, but no one's doing like this in the world, RRC, Recreational Resort Cottages, is the one to come to. So the Starling right here is coming in, as you see it, at $114,000, and that is going to be everything you see today besides furniture and decor. So again, this price is for today, not next year, not next week. Today, $114K. So guys, get that great look of the exterior, and you can see the black magic exterior base and trim, and then we even topped it off with a black metal roof. The entire exterior is 30 years of warranty for your convenience. Follow me up onto this front porch, an 8-foot porch to be exact, and you'll see how much living space you have to work with. First thing you'll notice is we have the interior ceiling in the stained hickory southern yellow pine. We have a ceiling fan centered, 4 LED can lights around, and then look at this porch. With it 8 feet in length, you have the half slats running around the entire porch, which brings that great aesthetic from the exterior, but also offering a great basically base for you to have, whether you have small children, pets. This offers a great luxury to be able to come out, sit, and be safe as well. And then of course, adding it all off with that cedar top plate going across, that just ties all of this color together for you. And then you can see that we have the windows right here, 2 picture windows on each side. We have the coach lights on each side of the door, and we chose to go with the cottage style front door painted in, of course, black magic. We also have the Trex decking in the tortoise brown, tying everything in together and keeping that additional warranty of 30 years as well. But I can talk about the outside all day with all of this character, but let's take it inside so I can show why we are who we are right here at RRC. So as you come in, oh my goodness, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You are seeing, yes, right in front of your eyes, the one-of-one feature of the Starling. So starting here in the living area, when you walk in, the first thing you're going to notice is the dimensions in the ceiling. Look at this great symmetry and all of this different angles going throughout from front to back of this home. You got the southern yellow pine ceiling, and then look, because of the, again, the exterior elevations that you see, where in the front it is elevated, in the middle it's lower, and then in the rear it's elevated again, but then you have the traditional vaulted porches on each end. You have all of this different symmetry going on throughout the home, all of these different dimensions that you get to capture in 399 square feet. So that is going to capture your eye as soon as you come in. We also have the black ceiling fan here, again tying the black feature together. What I love, speaking of black, is this black accent wall right here. Oh my goodness, look at this. We have painted black shiplap running from floor to ceiling. Do not lack the characteristics and do not overlook these characteristics, because we've also featured black painted trim in this area as well as the baseboard. This is the only accent in this home that has the trim and baseboards painted black. Everything else you will see throughout the rest of the home is either painted white, or even around the roof line you will see it is stained hickory on your trim. So this is a focal point right here as soon as you walk in. And again, you have the picture windows down low, the half picture windows up top, just bringing this all together. And then right across from that, you have what we call the living room wall. So right here, you have the space to accommodate a full-size couch. You can do a couple of chairs if you choose, recliners, etc. What I love is we chose to go with 30-36 sofa windows, as we call them. Reason why we call them the sofa windows is because we've raised them, so that way when you place a sofa down below, you have enough space to accommodate your furniture, but you also get to keep the natural light that we're so famous for here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So we have that right there, just again opening this space up, making it look so lovely. And again, we have TV jacks on several walls. We've got one right here. We have one on the black accent wall, just to give you a variety of options when it comes to TV placement. What I love about this floor plan is the flow of the floor plan. You can see how much space you have right here in the living area, but as you make your way on down through the kitchen, you can see here that we have more of the galley style kitchen in this particular model. We have the white cabinets going throughout the model. We chose to go with the black bar pools. We have the Calcutta marble countertop, and we paired it together with the black and white craft tile going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. And we tied that in right here with the stainless steel farm sink that everyone loves. And we've also added in all the goodies, all the attachments. You've got your drainers, you got the detachable sprayer right here with the black base. And again, this just looks so lovely all together. We've paired this with the stainless steel appliances. You have your convection oven up above, your smooth top stove down below, and then the side-by-side fridge. Then of course you've got your drawer bank, all the additional cabinetry up above. But before we keep it going back, look, we're bringing the southern yellow pine ceiling, tying that into the southern yellow pine interior door. Again, solid wood, because you're watching who you would need to be watching right here at Recreational Resort Cottages, and we're bringing you quality. So as you follow me into the bathroom, you'll notice we have the window here, again bringing in the natural light. We chose to go with the banjo style countertop, which runs right here over the sink and then continues over your toilet. We've even added additional cabinetry right here with the linen over the toilet as well. But this is the great feature that I love so much, and that is going to be the subway tile shower. But we've chosen to add the accent band of the craft tile from the kitchen into your bathroom to tie it all together for you. We put that accent band at around 5 foot height right here for you, so that is a great feature. And then we have the white soap dishes right here in the corners for your convenience, and then the black rain shower head. So guys, look at this. We kept the door off just so you have the flexibility to add your own shower curtain in the style that you choose, and it's just ease of comfort. A lot of my clients, whether you are using this as a rental property, a primary residence, you may not want to use the door. You may want to put a curtain up, but also for some of my elder clients, the ones that are taking care of their mom, dad, etc. Hey, you want to have ease of access into the shower. This makes it where you can get in, get out, and not have to worry about a door or stepping over into a tub. So that is a key feature. And again, look at the ceiling height here in the bathroom one more time. And that southern yellow pine looking so divine. So follow me on down and we'll keep it moving. And as you come on back, we've got your stackable wash machine and dryer tucked in right here, looking very flush, if I do say so myself. And then we've got the front load, and then we have additional cabinetry that we put up top. So rather than just use this as dead space, we might as well utilize it. So for your fabric softeners, everything that you need, you have the space to accommodate. And of course, like I said, you got the full size side-by-side refrigerator, additional cabinetry up above, and then behind the pocket door number 2 in stained hickory, you know what I got for you. This is the bedroom. And this, if I say so, will be the star in Starling. This is a king size bed that you have in this particular model. A king size bed, guys, and I want to say that again for a third time, king size bed in a 11 wide park model. No one does that but us. We have it right here in the Starling for you today. And not only do we have this king size bed, you will also see we have a king size bed box. What's great about that is you have these 6 drawers of storage, 3 on each side, so you can store your goodies in right here for you, have that extra space. But we also wanted to showcase the king size bed in here and actually give you the visual of what that looks like to see how much room that you can have in a tiny home. Keep in mind, this is not a traditional home. This is a tiny home, but it's traditional to us because of how we give you the conveniences that we offer here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So again, you have enough walk space. People always ask me, Mr. Tiny, if I put the bed in there, how do I move around? How much space do I have? I'm walking around just fine, me personally. You know, just me personally. But you know, I can do that. You can see, we got enough space to have that happen for you. And guys, this looks great. Look at these windows. You have 2 vertical windows on each side of the bed. We added a third right there with the clear story up top. And then of course we kept that southern yellow pine going, and you can see that shed style roof that we have still again running lower here on the back and then raising here on the front. So it's making this room feel so open. I can't tell you enough. Again, you got to see this in person. This is incredible. Picture windows down low again. We have the half size picture windows up top. I'm telling you about the symmetry because if you think back, as I'll show you in a second, when we go back through the living room, you'll see the exact same setup that you got from your living area we put here in the bedroom, so everything ties in together for you. Before we get to the closet, which I'll show you in a minute, which is lovely, let's look at this patio door right here. This sliding patio door will come out onto the 8-foot rear porch. And again, guys, I told you we're keeping it symmetrical because again, I gave you an 8-foot front porch. Mr. Tiny's got to give you an 8-foot rear porch as well. What I love is, again, we kept the half slats going right here. And then we have the full slats right here on this side for privacy. So that way we tied all that in together. We painted everything black, put the cedar top plate on there for you to, of course, match this southern yellow pine right here as well. Tie that all in together. We have your ceiling fan in black as well. So all of this is looking lovely. I mean, even the composite decking again matches the front composite decking, and then we're giving you 2 coach lights on each side of the patio door. Now, as you follow me back in, we'll see here. Look how much space you have in this particular room. Right here, you're going to have the double bifold doors in the closet. Why I love this, because it folds right up, and you can see, even with the king size bed, how much room you got. And then you've got your shelf rod. You have the additional storage space down below. Then you just shut it back like so. And then you follow me right through here. And guys, look at this. This is amazing. This is incredible of this model, the Starling. I mean, I can't talk about it enough. Right here in the living area, you see how everything opens back up. And then we've got this feature wall. This is what I call the feature presentation wall right here in the Starling. So again, guys, you are wanting these new floor plans, and hey, guess what? You're telling Mr. Tiny, in my area, no one has these, or if they do, they've got the same old run-of-the-mill park model tiny homes. I said, well, that's why you call me, honey, because I bring you the one of the ones that you've never seen before. And right here is the first Starling that you've ever seen. And this is an incredible floor plan that I know is going to blow your socks off right here on this Tiny Home Tuesday. And again, to recap, this particular model is 11 feet wide, it's 50 feet long, including the 8-foot front porch, the 8-foot rear porch, and it's on sale today for $114K. $114,000, you'll get everything you see today besides the furniture and decor, ladies and gentlemen. So if you love the Starling, you know what to do, my darling. Go down to the comments and let me know what your favorite feature of the Starling was today. Also, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're subscribed like you should be, you're part of the family. If you're not, do so today so you can see these videos as they are posted each and every week. Again, you want to contact me directly about the Starling or any other model that I showcase, run over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Starling as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.